In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a professional account on Instagram. So I'm going to show you how you can switch your personal account into a business account. Now, first thing you need to do is load up the Instagram app, head over to your profile page and click on the settings bar in the top right hand side. You can then scroll down this page and click on account type and tools. Now select switch to professional account, click on next, and then go and select a category from the list. Now I'm just going to set this to blogger. You can also decide whether you want to display the category on your Instagram profile and then press switch to professional account. Now select whether you're an individual creator or you're a business. I'm going to press creator and click on next. Click on continue again and press allow and finish adding. You can then click on the cross icon in the top right hand side, head back over to your Instagram profile, and you can see now that we've converted this into a professional account. You can click on the professional dashboard and this is going to give you access to all of the business tools.